Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to send high quality videos on Telegram. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, make sure that your Telegram application is up to date. Just go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and update your Telegram application to the latest version, and then you will open up your Telegram application, and then you will open up that chat where you want to send the large video, okay, or in high quality video, okay. So then you will basically need to tap on this attachment option here next to the microphone, and then basically you will tap on file here, okay. So you will basically send your video as a file, okay, and what this will do is this will basically keeps the same quality of the video. So here you can see that we have couple of options. So you will tap on gallery here, and then from here you can basically select your photo or video that you want to send in high quality. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.